Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix emails not loading on your iPhone so you can actually get your inbox working again. So first, simply make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. So this could be via Wi-Fi or mobile data. And once you make sure it is, you can then go to Settings, then Mail, and then select Accounts. From here, you can then select your email account and turn mail off and back on again. Now you can also try fetching data manually by opening the Mail app and pulling down to refresh. Okay, so if it's still not working, you can also remove the email account and try to re-add it again. So to do this, simply go to Settings once again, then select Mail, then Accounts, and then from here, simply select Delete Account. So once you do that, you then have to add the account once again. Now finally, simply restart your iPhone to apply changes. So after this, your emails should start loading normally again. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.